his table, still hungover, hardly able to come to terms with Monday's new demands. He activates the microwave to reheat Friday's takeaway, the cafetiere to muster up some coffee from the grains. He lights the next last cigarette and promises himself, as he retches in the sink, to change his ways. He dreams inside the sun of Zoe from London 25. She's fiddle on the fold-away, staring at the laundry in the corner that she should have done the night before. Listening to her flatbed, singing stone songs in the shower. She hopes she leaves hot water when the bathroom's finally free. She cries into the mirror, smudges her mascara. She's so from London 25. When you're looking for somebody you might not even see, when they're standing there in front of you, right before your eyes. If you're looking for somebody, you're gonna need some help. You know you'll never find them when you're still looking for yourself. Out of breath and out of option, couldn't see the phone call, so he's played himself away. He's locked in a reality that's taken time to sink in. He's lost inside a daydream, his mind is occupied. He turns his back on everybody, on Zoe from London 25. For somebody you might not even see them when they're standing there in front of you, right before your eyes. If you're looking for somebody, you know you need some help. You know you'll never find them when you're still looking for yourself. Clutches at the broken heel from tripping down the escalator, chasing her white rabbits in the tunnels far below, where she moves around invisible to all concerned, anonymous, a dream girl in a nightmare on a journey to the stars. She's on a journey